What's up, guys? Welcome back with another video on my channel with your girl Trinity J. So as you can tell by the title of the video, we're doing a cooking guide, but more baking. We're baking and we're going to be making fudge brownies. Now, I have been known to make the best fudge brownies probably ever. I've been known to make very good fudge brownies. So if you want to know the recipe to how I do it, make sure you keep watching to this video and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and turn notification, get notified every time I post a video. So yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. I sometimes follow the rules on the box. There's a little things I do differently, but okay, in the box, let me tell you what brand I get. I get Betty Crocker. I get this brand of fudge. Yeah, I think it'll work better if you get this brand. So it doesn't really matter what type of pan you put it in. I know it says 13 by 9. I put it on any pan. So the bake time says 22 to 25 minutes, but you preheat your oven to 350. So let's do that. Right now, we're gonna need a bowl. I'm gonna show y'all the ingredients we're going to need. Let me get them. Okay, this is the bowl I'm going to be using. It's bigger than usual, but medium kind of. So now we open up the box. For some reason, I always have to cut this. I can never open it. Oh, I got it this time. Okay, that works. So you just pour the whole bag in here. Okay, next thing you need is 3 tablespoons of water. If you guys do not have these. Okay guys, I think my camera accidentally stopped recording, but I did just pour the brownie mix this into the bowl. That's all I did so far. Nothing else. Haven't added any ingredients, but my camera did cut off for some reason. But now I'm about to add 3 tablespoons of water. I would usually use these, but I'm gonna go off for what people probably don't have. So if you don't have none of those, I'm gonna show y'all a different way. So yeah. So guys, how I add my 3 tablespoons of water is I use filter water, but obviously don't have filter water in your sink. Just use regular water. But we're about to add 3 tablespoons of, I kind of just eyeball it. That's the thing, I eyeball it, but don't add too much, because if you add too much, it will come out watery. I did have to do this a couple times, so you might not get it right the first try. But just know it will probably come out a little watery, but you're just gonna eyeball it. I'm gonna show y'all. Like right there. So right here seems perfect enough. I don't think there's anything else you need to do. Any more water you need to add to it. I feel like this is perfect. Because after you mix it, if you see that it's thick, then add some more water. But if you see that it's like not thick and really moist, then you have great water. It means you made it perfectly. But let's get on to the next step. Okay, after you add your water, it then says ½ a cup of vegetable oil. So get your measuring cup. Okay, I got my measuring cup. Now let's get the oil. Okay, next thing you do is pour ½ a cup of vegetable oil. Just like that, that's ½ a cup. So then you pour it into your bowl. Then you would do 2 eggs. Perfect crack. You know, everyone hiring me to crack your eggs. I charge $20. No, I won't do my price. $2 for each egg crack. Actually $5. This is a difficult thing. Do you see that perfect? Call me Mrs. Put It On. No. Next, you go in with your mixer. I know you just saw me put these in here. That might not have been right, but This is a teen cook guide, so you do what teens do, and that is something a teen would do.
That is not correct. Because
that is me. So next you would just mix it. I like to mix it over the sink in case I waste anything. So I'm about to go do it. Okay guys, as you can see, it is a little, if it gets hard for you to stir, that means it doesn't have enough water. Right here, I did not add enough water, so this is the perfect example. So now I'm about to add just a little bit of water. Don't add too much, because as you can see, it's very hard, and it shouldn't be like that. It should be more watery, just a little bit. So yeah, just a little bit of water. Like that. That's like literally enough. And let me show y'all, oh, I'm sorry. Let me show y'all the difference. Okay, I'm gonna stir it. Once again, it's very better to do it over the sink because if we have any mess, you can just rinse it out. Like, that's so much easier. So as you can see, look how watery it is compared to when it was before. I should have did like this before, but look, the difference is immaculate. This is what changes the texture of your brownie to make it taste really good. Okay guys, now we're about to pour the brownie mix into the pan. So let's get it. The oven should already be preheating. My oven's already preheated. Okay, you want to spread the brownie mix everywhere so it gets all around the pan on even size, because if it's not even, it just won't turn out right. So I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. Let me just pour all this in here. I like to get every little bit of it and just pour it in here.
Child. Anyway, so
the next thing is you splat it.
Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say.
Splat it. What do I call it? I don't know, just rub it, like pat it, not pat it. I don't know what the word is, but spread it all around. I think spread it, that's the word. Spread it all around your baking pan. I'm gonna show you what it looks like when I'm done so y'all get the idea. Yeah. So guys, this is how my brownie mix looks. This is what I mean by spreading it everywhere. Make sure it is basically like this. And now I'm about to put it in the oven, and I'm gonna show you how much I put it on and how many minutes I do mine. So I put the timer on for 22 minutes. It says 22, I think to 25. Let me check again. Okay, the minutes say 22 to 25, but I put it on 23 just and above, and then I check on it. Why didn't I? Okay, my fault. 23, and then yeah, we just let it cook into there. Okay, so I decided to do a voiceover. So as you can see in this clip, I'm taking the brownies out. I did it for exactly 23 minutes. The timer stopped and all. I'm sorry for the background noise, guys. But yes, I'm taking it out and I'm going to show you how I test it to know that it's done. Okay, in this, guys, I'm showing you how I test the brownies to make sure they're done. I poke it with a fork in the inside. If it comes out gooey, that's how you know it's not done in the inside. So you put it back in the oven probably for about 5 minutes. As mine, it is fully cooked. So once again, when you let it sit out, it cooks a little more in the inside. So a little backstory about what's happening and why the brownie basically looks like this. My brother had an idea on to poke. We have these gingerbread cuttings, I guess you call them, in different shapes. So we have snowflakes, reindeers, in different shapes. So we decided to do it if we could do it in the brownies, do something different. We tried it and it didn't actually work out well, but I did take a brownie out so I can test it for you guys in another clip. Okay guys, we're about to get my taste on how I made my brownies. To me, they always taste different from how even though I do the same routine all the time, they always taste different, but I'm going to say my grace.
2 moments later.
And now let's try our brownie. We're gonna try this big one here. If you guys can taste this now, you'll be amazed on how good I make brownies. It's just, they're very soft. I don't know if I could let them cook longer, probably, but if I did, I feel like they would burn because they're already getting too hard. I mean, just a little hard, but these are amazing. My little brother's in front of the camera, and he says they're good. So, and he you know, he's kind of picky with food. Guys, I hope you enjoyed your brownies if you made them with me, or if you watched this video to learn how to make brownies. Hope when you make them, they turn out as perfect and good as mine. And leave down below in the comments some stuff you do when you make brownies. What are some ingredients you put in, and maybe we could all learn from you. So yeah, don't forget to let us know down below in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn the notification to get notified every time I post a video. And yeah, if you guys want more cooking videos, don't forget to comment down below which cooking or baking videos you want me to do, and I will get it done for you guys. And I will be doing a giveaway soon, so I'll let y'all know in the YouTube short. Probably have a lot of things to say for this outro. Yeah, so we're going to be doing a giveaway soon, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys. Thank you for cooking with me, and I'll see you guys in another video.